Hi guys! Всем привет! Добро пожаловать! Labdien! Welcome to my channel. I'm Alla, the host of the show. Today I want to show you the most amazing dish ever. It's gluten-free Zapekanka. Zapekanka is basically a very healthy cottage cheese bake. Today I'm gonna make it with wild blueberries and raspberries. It's like a burst of berries in your mouth with creamy center, and it's gluten-free, so why not? It's really easy to make, doesn't take many ingredients, it's very healthy. I usually have this for breakfast, and it freezes well as well. It freezes well. If you wanted to have it for, breakfast over the next weeks, you can freeze and slice it into bits and then just warm it up, and it's amazing. My sister loves it so much. We have it usually for breakfast and brunch all the time. Now you can get access to all my recipes just below the video. You can get access to 500 video recipes that I create, and obviously new ones that come out. So hopefully you'll become a member and start cooking with us. Now let's get started. In a large bowl, add your room temperatured eggs together with sugar and your cottage cheese or ricotta. Then add a little bit of vanilla extract and blitz everything together until your mixture is nice and smooth. You really want to make sure it's nice and smooth. Then I'm adding my gluten-free self-raising flour, and I'm mixing it until the mixture becomes nice and smooth. You might want to do this in stages to make sure it's nice and even. You don't need to sift the flour through, the mixture will be quite liquid. Over here, I recommend using two types of berries. I've got wild frozen blueberries and frozen raspberries. And to make sure they don't sink at the bottom, you want to add 1 tablespoon of gluten-free flour into each berry. Mix it through and make sure they are coated as much as possible. Then add them into your mixture and gently fold it through. You want to be as gentle as possible. You don't want to change the color too much, and because they're cold they will start melting, so we want to bake this straight away. Make sure you have your pan ready, lined with some parchment paper, and grease the sides around with some cooking oil or spray. Once you've poured your mixture inside, you want to take your zapekanka into the oven and bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes. It might even take longer, depends on your oven, at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Once it's completely cooked, you want to cool it down and then gently run a knife around the edges and pick it out from the mold and leave it to cool down one more time. Once it's been cooled down and set, you can cut it hot as well, but it might just not be as stable. You want to add some icing sugar and then slice into it, and there we go. It is such an amazing dish. I love it for breakfast as a snack. It's packed with berries, it's packed with good fats and proteins. Absolutely delicious. One of my favorite treats ever. And it's perfect for those who are gluten intolerant. It's very, very soft. It tastes more like delicious, kind of like a mix between a muffin and a cake. It's yummy. I hope you make this dish. Thanks, guys.